today's topic is introductions of cybersecurity, hacker teams, introductions of website attacks like penetration testing and bug hunting. So we will like conduct kind of like bug hunting tools, and then last one is like email spoofing, call spoofing, and mobile hacking. That all are sessions topics. So important thing is like we will cover basic knowledge of cybersecurity or ethical hacking first, and then we will cover practical or demonstration sessions. Okay, all right. So what is ethical hacking? Ethical hacking is nothing but the work which is done in ethics, means there are two kind of work, like you can call it black hat hacking. So if you know how to use your hacking skill in good way, in good manners, you can utilize your skill for to secure organizations or infrastructure like IT infrastructure of any industries. Then you can use your skill as a white hat hacking, right? And if you don't having the any agendas, then the kind of hackings we can call it black hat hacking. Okay, so cybersecurity, there are number of designations to work in a cybersecurity field. Okay, so we'll discuss it later. Let me show you kind of teams. Okay, so there are number of teams. You can call it a red team, like purple team, blue team, and so on. So most of three teams are considered in security field. One is red teaming. Red teaming is nothing but offensive security or offensive things. Okay, it means if you know how to hack some organizations or any website or server, the work is done in like offensive kind of thing, then it we call it red teaming, and if you know well knowledge about programming and development, so that we call blue teaming. So in organization there are two teams or number of teams. Mostly there are two teams, one is blue teams and one is red team. So blue team means development and programmers. Okay, so whether I have a server or the website and there is a vulnerabilities or the bugs inside the server, then red teamer will find the bugs and blue teamer will patch the bug. So these two teams is very important. They play very vital roles in cybersecurity. Red teamers and blue teamers. So purple teams, like these teams are work like red teamers as well as blue teamers also. So purple team is nothing but the kind of both a mixture of these both teams. Okay. So what is hacking? Hacking is nothing but gaining the unauthorized access or authorized access. If you called ethical hacking, then it means authorized access, to gain the authorized access to a computer or a system or any network. Or you can call you can hack a website also. Today's session or demonstration will be on website hacking. So I would like to show you how to hack any website without any authorized access. Okay, so we'll take a we'll gain a access unauthorized access on a particular website which I designed for the you know like training purpose only. Okay, so I think hacking and ethical hacking is different kind of thing. Hacking means gaining the unauthorized access, and ethical hacking means gaining authorized access. Okay, like hacker want to hack any organization or a target system, he need to bypass security measures. By bypassing the security measures, hacker can crack the security and gain access like this. Okay, so last time in 2022, why showing these things of attacks? It happened before, like long day goes like 2020 2012. So at that time, Shamon's virus was attempt on big organizations. The organizations was like Saudi American workstations, like petroleum and all. There is a organization where is I think so the petroleum or petrol and diesels industries is there. So at that time, the virus intrusion was happened, and the W32.Dix track virus was attempt on the organization, and it killed a number of things in this area at that area. So like the virus attempts on a single computer or a single organizations, but it affect parallelly, like suppose my system is infected because of this virus, but whether my system is connected with a single with any network or the wi-fi, other computer or other system also getting infected because of this virus. So this virus was like very dangerous virus, and it can damage 35,000 like euros or something, the Saudi currency. Okay, so the virus was very dangerous. Okay, so types of hacker is there are number of types of hacker. We mostly consider 8 types of hacker, but mostly we suppose that there are 3 types of hackers only: black hat, white hat, and gray hat hackers. Okay, so black hat hacker means what? Bad person. White hat hacker means what? Good person. The white hat hacker mostly hire in companies. Black hat hacker will not hack hire in companies. Their agenda is kind of to damage systems, to hack organizations only. Okay, they don't having the agendas. But white hat hacker having the agendas. They work for government, they work for companies, they work as a freelancer in the sense like hacker one is a platform where you can get a chances to use your skill like hacking skill, and also you can get a paid, will get a bounty and all. I will show you how to use your hacking skill for white hat hacker. And last one is gray hat hacker. A gray hat hacker is again mixture of black and white hat hacker. Okay, so gray hat hacker may be black or white also. Okay, all right. Okay, so what is website hacking? How to start your hacking skill, or how to start ethical hacking? There are kind of fields in ethical hacking also, like web hacking, API hacking, network hacking, VAPT, and so on, red teaming and all. So one of is website hacking. Website hacking is nothing but to secure your website. Okay, so again I'm dividing or like I would like to show you how to hack website. You can hack the website using penetration testing skill or bug hunting skill. So again, there are 2 types: pen testing and bug hunting. Bug hunting means what? Hacking website on web basis only, okay, or application basis only. And penetration testing means what? To get a root access or like network testing and all. Pen testing maybe work as a salary base, or bug hunting means freelancing base. Means if you want to hack website as a freelancer, you can work like one day or 2 days, like as a freelancing. Okay, so this is work is you can consider it as a bug hunting. But pen testing means what? You need to work in company as salary base month, like work as a 8 hours per day, and you will get a salary. Okay, we call it a penetration testing. Okay, so okay, so if you want to learn website hacking, you need to follow these kind of things, like apps top 10 vulnerability. Apps top 10 vulnerability means what? There are 10 vulnerabilities. You need at least learn most of at 1 to 10 at least. Okay, so if you know at least 5 vulnerability, then it's okay, you can use your skill to work on bug hunting and hacking website, and like getting the access. So what is injection, broken authentication, sensitive data exposure, XML entities, broken access control, and so on? These are concept or methodologies. By using these methodologies, you can hack any website. So one more thing is, let me clear this thing. somebody want to hack website, or somebody want to like, you know want to make a hacker. They suppose that hacker can hack any website, hacker can hack anything. No. So hacker can hack only the things there where the vulnerabilities exist, or the vulnerability is there, then you can hack. But which kind of vulnerability? This kind of vulnerability, like A1 to A10 vulnerability. So website having the SQL injections, you can hack using the SQL injection vulnerability. If website having like sensitive data exposure vulnerability, yeah, you can hack the sensitive information or sensitive data exposure vulnerability, and you can get a access or gain a access of website. Okay. If website don't having this 10 vulnerability, then you cannot hack a website. So the website is secure. Okay. So that's why you need to know every and each vulnerability or top 10 vulnerability, and first learn this top 10 vulnerability and try on any website. Definitely you will get at least one vulnerability, and then using this vulnerability you can enter in the website and gain the access, or you can take the whole entire access. I will show you how I hack website, a particular website. Okay, and how I gain a whole server access, I will show you in demonstration. So I think so this is a brief information of web hacking. Okay. Okay, so whether you want to learn bug hunting, you need to know how website design using PHP, HTML, CSS, connectivity. Okay, CMS. What is CMS? CMS is nothing but content management system. So I just survey that most of student don't know CMS. The like what is WordPress, Joomla, like Drupal. This is the CMS, and most of students don't know what is CMS. Okay, so if you want to become a hacker, you should know, you must know everything regarding about system administration, website, server side, Docker, Kubernetes, PHP, Python, everything. You should know everything. Okay, and then you can use your skill to hack any organization or any server. So what is CMS? CMS is nothing but uh, the platform or the framework which is used for to develop or to create a website. Okay, if you want to create your website, you can use a CMS. CMS is a platform. By using CMS, like WordPress used for develop your website. I created my website using the WordPress. Okay, so I don't know more knowledge, like I don't having the knowledge about PHP and all and HTML. So I would like to choose WordPress platform for creating my website, and I will design my website using the WordPress. So I don't need much information or much knowledge about designing and programming. Okay, so if you know what is CMS, 70 to 80% website created by CMS. So if you know CMS knowledge, then you can easily hack website using CMS vulnerability. Okay, that's why you need to know CMS. So WordPress is a platform which is used for to create a website, and if you know how to hack WordPress website, then you can easily hack WordPress website, right? So that's for there are you know tools which is we called WP scan, which is used for to find the vulnerability on the WordPress website. So using the WordPress, yeah, WP scan vulnerability tool, you can easily hack username, password, plugin, and you can get access over the WordPress website. What is bug hunting? Bug hunt. Let me show you. One second. Okay, bug hunting. So there are a platform, HackerOne platform. Okay, okay. So HackerOne platform provide you a programs where you can test your, yeah, or you can hack their website and earn monies. Okay, you can earn money using their your skill, hacking skill. First learn OWASP top 10 vulnerability. There are number of platform to learn hacking skill or website hacking skill, like Portswigger website or platform where you can learn website hacking. So web application security testing and scanning. There are materials, there are available a number of material. Use the material, learn the website hacking, okay, and use your skill on this website, HackerOne platform. So HackerOne platform provide you programs. The program, there are the website and applications, mobile application. Okay, use your skill to hack their programs and earn the money. Okay, so that is bug hunting. So let me show you IDOR vulnerability report on HackerOne. So some hackers hack the IDOR vulnerability on any website provided by HackerOne platform. Okay, and they got a bounty. Okay, so okay, bounty will be categorized as a severity level. So, but like basically there are number of severity level: low level, medium level, high level, and insane level. So I think so the severity level is high, and bug he got the bounties. I think the bounty is not show here. So bounty nearly maybe that's 5,000, yeah, $3,000 nearly. Okay, let me check other. Okay, so there is a vulnerability, IDOR vulnerability. By using this vulnerability, this hacker, the name of hacker is Mills. Okay, so you can register on the HackerOne website and like participate the program, take one of the program and hack the program. Okay, so he hacked this bstudio.com website, and the vulnerability is IDOR vulnerability. So how they know what is IDOR vulnerability? He already learned how to hack IDOR vulnerability on any website. He already know that. Okay, and he tried their skill on the website, bstudio.com website, and he got the vulnerability. Using this vulnerability, the website can, you know, like uh, like show their sensitive information over the public. Okay, so if this hacker hacked this website and leaked the data, so it means what? Whether the hacker is not white hat hacker, the hacker is black hat hacker, and he hacked this website and leaked the data publicly. It means the website or the organization will be in loss. Okay, so it's better is what this website or the organization will, sign the hacker or hire the hacker like white hat hacker like Mills, and tell them to hack my website, show me what kind of vulnerability on the website is there. Okay, so Mills found there is a vulnerability and he reported the vulnerability to website. So he is not reporting the vulnerability directly to the bstudio.com website. He reported this vulnerability to HackerOne platform, and HackerOne having the tie-up with this all platform or programs, the like bstudio and all. Okay, so HackerOne will show the vulnerability report to this program, and the program blue team member will be patch the issues, and the website issue will be clear because of Mills found the vulnerability, IDOR vulnerability, and due to the IDOR vulnerability, the website may be in risk. So so he found only the IDOR vulnerability using three step, this three step. He log in on the account, he visited the above end point like this link, and he found the IDs like confirm ID, something like this. So he changed the ID 1003793, replacing the ID by some other, okay, like 1003794 something. Okay, and he found the user, other user, those having this ID, the information about other user. So he successfully leak the other users information using this link. Only this three step leak the whole information of other confidential users. So using this hydro vulnerability, he reported the vulnerability and he got $130. Okay, so $130 means what? 130 100 rupees dollar. It means in Indian currency it may be how much that you count. Okay, So, Mills found this vulnerability within a 10 minutes, might be, or 1 hour, or you can consider as he found this vulnerability within a 1 day only. So he got a 130 rupees in 1 day. Okay. So the vulnerability might be severity level might be more than, okay, like the higher or more than and critical, or maybe more than, then vulnerability bounting will be got $1,000, yeah, $3,000, or more than, $1,000. So it's depend on vulnerability and severity levels. Okay, let me scroll down. Aditi Singh. Okay, so Aditi Singh, I think so, Aditi Singh is a hacker, and she found, look at here. So Aditi Singh is she found the vulnerability on the Microsoft and Facebook, and for the single vulnerability, she received $30,000 from Microsoft, and same vulnerability she found it she found on Facebook. Okay, for Facebook and Microsoft. I just forget. Yeah, Microsoft and Facebook. Correct. So she got a 30,000 rupees for single bug. It means in Indian currency, it's 22 lakh rupees. So she earned 22 lakhs, means 44 lakh rupees within a 2 to 3 days. Okay. So if you want to become a bug hunter, you can find, or you can start looking for the bugs or the website. You definitely getting at least nearly 1 lakh rupees. Okay. So it depend on your bug finding skill and reporting skill. Okay. So bug hunting means what? Like this. Okay. Okay. So for start your bug huntings, if you want to learn bug hunting, you need to know beginner level knowledge of Bubsuit or Bubsuit Professional. Okay. So what is Bubsuit? Bubsuit is a kind of intermediate platform, or you can find the bug using these tools. Let me show you this tool. Bubsuit. Okay. So Bubsuit is available on Portsugar Lab or Portsugar website. You can download Bubsuit Pro, Bubsuit community editions from here. So what is Bubsuit Enterprise Edition? What is Bubsuit Professional Edition and Community Edition? If you use Kali operating system, then Bubsuit Community Edition is already installed or pre-installed. So you don't need to install manually. Okay. The what is different between these three? A community edition don't having much tools, or you cannot use fast scanning and fast attacks using the community edition, but Bubsuit have. Okay, so Bubsuit having a faster vulnerability scanner, and the part of the world largest web security community edition is Bubsuit. Okay, so there are testing toolkits available in Bubsuit Pro. Pro means what? Professional. And it need to pay, okay, for the download and use professional Bubsuit Pro. But you can download community editions and community edition as a free. Okay, so I already have Bubsuit Professional. Okay, how it look? Like this. Okay, All right, it take a time. Sorry, guys. So Bobsuit, I will show you later. Actually, the Bobsuit having some issues. Okay, fine, it's okay. Okay, so here we can see Web Security Academy. You need to log in first here, sign up first, and then log in here. Then you will get materials regarding about web testing and lab also. There are labs, number of lab. Okay, learning and all. All right, so let me show my screen again here. Okay, all right. Okay, so tools. Bubsuit is one of the most used tools in bug hunting. Okay, Bubsuit Pro and Bubsuit Community Edition. But at least you should know what is Dart Search, JS Parse, Noki Lazy, Lazy S3, Recon Profile, SQL Map, is Sublister, and WP Scan. These tools is used for to enumerate website to find the bugs on website. If you know SQL map applications or if you know sublister applications, it is used to find the domain. Okay, the tool is used for to find the domain. Okay, so how to find subdomains, domains, IP address using sublister. uh, like if you already installed Kali operating system in your PC or whatever you use, you need to go on the GitHub website. Okay, search there sublister tools, or I think so I bookmark. Once again, bug hunting tools, GitHub. Okay, all right, so there are number of tools. If you're starting bug hunting, then you can go through these tools like content. First, remember that if you study anything like pen testing, networking, bug hunting, remember one and most important thing is like create your methodology. Okay, so what is my methodology? First, I would like to recon on my target, and the once I got vulnerability on my target, I would like exploit the target. And once I got exploitable, or the I got the exploitable target, or I got exploit the target, then I will pass the information what I got by reporting it. Okay, so these three methodologies I use while bug hunting. And like network testing is like my network testing methodology is different, okay, than bug hunting. So recon means what? Find the vulnerability, or if I have a target like xyz.com website, or like facebook.com website, Microsoft or Facebook. So if I use Microsoft website for my purpose, maybe there is a mail subdomain and microsoft.com. Okay, so mainly we called it main domain microsoft.com, and this one is our subdomain. So subdomain used for what purpose? It might be a different kind of purpose. Okay, mail dot microsoft.com means what? I would like to use mail services using the Microsoft. Okay, similarly Gmail also. Okay, like Google having the lot of services, like mail services, you like plus something plus dot gmail services, and so many services are available with Google. So Google is providing number of services using subdomain concept. So if I want to hack Google, I will not target google.com website only. I would like to find the subdomain, okay, like gmail.com or mail.google.com. So how to find these subdomains? You can use sublister website, sorry, sublister tools. Okay, so for finding the subdomain, you can use subdomain enumerations tools. Okay, or many other tools are available out there. Sublister, Asset Finder. Okay, like this. So once you got list of subdomain, you can choose particular subdomain for finding the bug and use your skill like OAuth top 10 vulnerability. Create a checklist. Okay, create a checklist OAuth top 10 vulnerability and use your skill on particular subdomain. Do not try on the direct main domain. Okay, so it's a very important thing. And if you go for the penetration testing, you can use port scanning also. Okay, fuzzing, parameter finding, link, content discovery use to find sensitive information on website. For example, my website is test php or php test website something. Okay, this one, test php vulnerweb.com website. Okay, so I just put here a website name testphp.vulnerweb.com website, and I want to hack this website. So my target is what? To hack the website. Okay, so go through this. What I show you? Go through these methodologies, recon, exploitation, and then so on. So first target is, or first step is what? Enumerations. Find the subdomain. So I already have the subdomain test.php, and my target is to hack test.php for subdomain using my hacking skill. Okay, so if I don't know any vulnerability of the website, I will use port scanning tools. Okay, so how to use port scanning tools? You can use nmapping and on, or just click on port scanning. The next page will be show here. Okay, okay, here subdomain enumeration tool is sublister. Okay, my target is to hack this website using my hacking skill. So that's for you need to download some tools from these Git repositories. Okay, once I click on the recon button, it will show me how many tools are there. There are a number of tool. Just click on the sublister tool. It will redirect to other page or other repositories. Okay, so download the repository, use your skill to install these. If you don't know how to download GitHub tools, then it's critical to you know install and use or go for the hacking. You need a basic knowledge like what is Linux. You need a basic knowledge of uh, GitHub and all. Okay, then you can use this tool. So if you want to use sublister tool, first you need learn Linux operating system. So I'm going to download the tool using, just copy the link and open my terminal. Okay, put here, just copy and paste, enter here, then it will be download in my system. So once it download, I can use this tool easily, right? So how to use, or how to install this tool? The whole information is listed here in readme file about the sublister tools, how to install this tool. You can read this information and follow the information. Simple. And if your system is not compatible for this tool, what is compatible or recommended repositories or libraries for this tool is listed here. Okay, recommended version for the Python 2 or 2.7 and blah blah blah. So dependency also here. If your dependency is not fulfilled, then go and install the dependency using this command in Windows or in Mac. Okay, so next is, if you want to run or install it in Windows, just follow this. Kali Linux, just follow this. Okay, so on. So once you install your tool using this uh you know given information, you can use your tool by typing this command. python sublister.py -d and your target name. So once you type this command, it will starting to find a subdomains. Okay, it will start the find the subdomains. Okay, of course, yeah, you can use -d for the assigning the domain. If you want to brute force, you can assign the -b and all. So these are arguments. Okay, I'm showing you a single tool, how to use any tools that I just show you. So similar manner, you can download any one of these tools and install and use. Okay, if you want to know more about how to use this tool, why we need to use this tool, just go through the readme file. Okay, this one, just read about the sublister show that the sublister is a python tool designed to the enumerate subdomain. Okay, so student may be the confused what is subdomain. First clear the subdomain things or subdomain concept, then use this sublister tool. Okay, uh, don't make confused because there are number of concept which you may be not aware. Okay, so go through this repository and download whole tools and use it as shown in the readme file. Okay, similar the port scanner also used for scanning the port. Okay, mass scan, rust scan. I would like to use rust scan because rust scan used for fast scanning, and mapping also the best scanner, which is not faster than a rust scanner. Okay, so if you want to do penetration testing, you can go through the port scanning tools. Okay, screenshot used for to create a report, generate a report. Okay, and technology like Wapilizer use find the website. Okay, let me show you the website textphp.oneweb.com, the website designed by the PHP code. But what if the website designed by using the CMS? Okay, I think so CMS concept already done, or already you guys understand what is or understood what is CMS concept. So Vapilizer used for to find the CMS or which platform used by the website, the website designer. So Vapilizer used to like Vapilizer help to find the CMS kind of thing. Okay, so how to use Vapilizer? Just click on the Vapilizer and again go through the README file. Okay, what is Vapilizer? Vapilizer is blah 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 and blah. So how to install? Just quick start and all. Okay, follow this README file. So I'm not going to show you one and one line. I am just showcase how the way to install the tools, what is the way to use of these tools. If I show you one single tool, how to download this tool, how to install the tool, and how the use this tool, then you can understand every tools, each and every tools which is I mentioned here. Okay, the path or the way of installation is what? Just follow the readme file. Simple. Just follow the readme file. If the requirement or repository is not follow the requirement and the full the requirement by doing the troubleshooting. Okay, if my system is not comfortable for python 3, then go to google, search the python repositories, python 3 or python whatever the issue arise while installing the your tool. Just follow the step by doing the google and do the troubleshooting and install your tool and use it. Okay, simple. Okay, there are number of tools. I will put this link in chart menu. Okay, later. Web hacking demonstration. I guess you guys getting much more knowledge about how is hacking or what is web hacking and bug hunting. Okay, so let me show you demonstration on website hacking. Okay, so this one is a website textphp.oneweb.com website. Okay, and you can click on the sign up button, try here like admin. Okay, or enter. So The point is what you cannot access the loginizations. So you don't having the user and the password. How can you log in here, right? So for that, you can bypass the admin panel using SQL injection and all, or you can try to brute force attack. So first thing is what, if you're targeting some website, you should know what kind of attacks you can attempt on the website. Okay, I already told you that abstract and vulnerability showcase their all vulnerability, like sensitive file, data sensitive file disclosure and all, broken authentication. So there are number of vulnerabilities. So first learn this vulnerability and try the skill on the on this kind of things, like यहाँ पे हम लोग try कर सकते, you can try out there finding the user and the password and cracking the user and password and login here. Okay, so this one is the text website, test website. So anybody can hack the website and get a database. Okay, so I would like to show you real scenario. Okay, like real website which I already hack. Okay, the website already, I already hacked this website. Okay, and I just uploaded sorry, I just uploaded my shell. Okay, so what is shell and how I hack this website? I will not show you how I hack this website, because this website owner maybe you know, it's a offensive things, you know. So I can show you how I hack the website on my test website, but this website having the organization, so I cannot show you how I hack this website. Okay, I would like to show you what if I hack the website, what can I, or what is activity, what activity will be done once hacker attempt the hack. Okay, so let me show you the things what can I do with this website. So I already have the dashboard access, or I already have the server access using the shell which I put here, shell.php file. Okay, so using the shell.php file, I can manipulate entire server, the server which one is like 216.45.58.2. The server is Krishna something something something.com website, and the server hold these number of website, Jhalak hardware and all. Okay, so you can count the website hosted on the server is nearly 30 to 40, right? 30 to 40. So I can choose any of these secure still something.com website and put my virus again here, and I can dump the whole information from this website, and I can sell. Okay, but I am not going to do this all stuff because I am the white attacker, correct? So if you want to dump the database, you can click on the database, find the user and the password, login in database, and you know, grab the whole informations what they put there, and sell information, right? So bad hacker will do this kind of things, and their agenda is bad agenda. So my agenda is what, to finding the bugs and report to this owner, the Krishna printpack.com website owner. Okay, I would like to like create a report and send to them. But let me show you one thing, that what can hacker do with this server. So the website is krantipackaging.com website. The website is one of the website which I hacked the server. Okay, let me open the website, krantipackaging.com. Okay, all right. You can see the Kranti Packaging website, and the domain is krantipackaging.com. Correct. And here you can see their slides. Welcome to Kranti Packaging and all. Right. So as a normal visitor, you can visit only the website. Okay, you cannot manipulate, or you cannot remove or add things on the website. But as a hacker, if hacker hack the website, hacker can change entire thing. Like hacker can change the slide and put their uh, any image, okay, or he can change the contents. Like uh, once I hack the website, I can change the welcome to Kranti packaging and put their welcome to Vishal hacker world. Yeah, Vishal hack hub. Okay, I can put here anything what I want, I can put here. Okay, but how? The permission is not given to the visitor. But how to change these things? Just hack the website that I already hacked, and edit the, like edit, you can edit entire things. So for that, you need at least PHP knowledge and HTML knowledge for manipulating or changing the website. Okay, so at least you need a PHP or HTML little bit knowledge at least. Okay, now I'm going to edit the index page. So what is index page? Index page is nothing but home page of website. So whether or once you click on the website, the index page will be pop up here, right? Display here. First page is index.php page or home.php page. So once I change index.php page, so whole coding inside the page, then what I put here, that will be reflect here. Okay, that will be reflect here. Let me remove everything. First I'm going to copy, and I'm going to add here h1 tag, and hello hacker Vishal was here, and let I'm going to tag, complete the tag h1 tag, and save. Okay, I think so. This page will be changed, and it will be reflected by my things what I put here. Hello hacker Vishal was here. So what happened here? Suppose the Kranti packaging website.com is a big organization website, and every day the website visitor may be like thousands or 10,000 visitor earlier. So once visitor is visiting the website, he will, or he or she will be the page will be showing like hello hacker Vishal was here. So he suppose or she suppose that the website is not secure, or the web, well hacker cannot secure his website even. Then how can he secure my assets? So client of this organization or vendor of the organization will be, suppose that the security is not, or they are what they are done with this organization, so they will be uh, might be the problem will be happen with them. Okay, so it's a better to secure your organization. It's better or good to secure your website. Website is ultimately your organization mirror, your industry, whatever your industry is, that the mirror of your website. Okay, so it's very important that to make sure you secure your website. Okay, and what if the website is amazon.com, what if the website is facebook.com, instagram.com? So what happened if hacker hack the website? He can manipulate every and each user's information. Okay, and it happened it at 2019 or nearly 2018. Facebook's data was leaked by Saudi hackers or Saudi something. I don't know. I'm not sure. He hacked the whole database of Facebook users. Okay, so that is the hacking done by using the vulnerability of admin bypass vulnerability. Okay, so how to find the admin and how to inject your shell? It's a lot different things. Okay, okay, fine. So what is cybersecurity jobs and roles? So cybersecurity jobs and roles is like independence or independent penetration tester, or it may be, bounty list website like a bug bounty. I already show you hacker one platform where you can independently hack the website and get a bounty. You can work for 1 day at least, and you know work 1 day, got a bounty, thousands of rupees bounty, and you do not work than like further days. So it's a better to do independent bound testing and all. We can call it a freelancing or bug bounty. Okay. Red teaming and the conditions of the bounty. Red teaming is a red team. Okay, it's a red team. Like what is red teaming? Red teaming is the kind of salary. If you want to work as a employees, then you can join red teaming. So red teaming is a higher level than bug bounty and penetration testing. So bug bounty is nothing but freelancing, and red teaming is kind of job and employees kind of thing. So you will work as a penetration tester, advanced penetration tester work, but we called it red teaming. Execute bounty and report vulnerability to company. You can report your vulnerability to the company, and you will get money. Okay. So finally, next topic is email hacking. So previously we talk on the website hacking. Website hacking. Once you got a website server access, you can manipulate entire details or website. But what if your email getting hacked, or somebody try to spoofing on your email? So what will be happen, or what is the consequences of email spoofing? So let me clear one thing, that email spoofing means not a hacking. Okay, it's a social engineering. Or look at here, the hacker is trying to send the mail to a victim. Okay, but victim's mail is bob at the rate example.com. Okay, victim means those you are targeting. Okay, and target will get a email like somebody one sending him like alice at the rate example.com. But alice, if hacker want to send bob's a mail from alice at the rate gmail.com, then hacker need at least alice password. Okay, at least alice password, and then hacker can send the mail to bob from alice example.com website email. But hacker don't need emails password to send the bob alice from the alice account email account. So alice sorry, attacker will be try to do a spoofing attacks, and he will create a fake emails similar like alice at the rate example.com. It will look like same as alice at the rate example.com, and the mail will be sent from the attacker's system to the victim system like bob example.com. But attacker will not even a touch, or he will not need alice users and the password, but still he can send alice from the alice to bob's account as a mail. Okay, so let me show you demonstration. Okay, look at here, my email id is vishal. Okay, uh gmail account email is hack agent 56tv at the rate gmail.com, and another email is something something at the rate hazeli.com. The web mail is this. So I'm going to target this two mail, this one and this one. Okay, this two mail I'm going to send. Okay, sorry. Okay, so my target email is this one, right? So I'm going to send mail to this email id and this email id, agent56tv gmail.com. So why gmail and why team? Because let me show you different between these two vendors, like normal team mail wala and vendor and gmail wala. Okay. Now one more target is vishal and this. So there are three targets, and I will manipulate these three people by sending them Vinka from the Vinka's email. So I'm going to search Vinka Cyber. So I don't know what is a mail ID for Vinka. What is a mail? maybe info at wincacyber.com. Okay, contact us. All right. So correct, info @wincacyber.com. So I'm sending mail from wincacyber.com. So but still I don't know what is the email password. Okay. So I don't know like info where is a mail server of wincacyber.com. I don't know the password of winca info email. But still I am sending mail from info@wincacyber.com to these three target. Which one? Vishal one, this one, and Tempola, this one, three vendors. So I have already designed a PHP a script or the and I put just the script or the my free wala domain. Okay. So my target is what? Target is this this email, correct, and this one, and one more is this one. Okay. So my target, those I want to send the mail like Vishal, Agent, and Jack. So these are my three target. Okay, those I want to send the mail. I will like put their emails in this box, and from mail will be receive is info@wincacyber.com. Okay, and wincacyber.com don't having the knowledge about their email is used for spoofing. Okay. So once Vishal got the mail from Winca, so Vishal will be surprised. Oh wow! Info sending Winfo cybersecurity. Winca Cyber sending me a mail, hiring me for as a trainer. So Vishal will be surprised. Okay. So let me surprise Vishal. Okay, without knowing Winca Cyber. All right. So here you can put here Winca Cyber Take, and the subject is you are hired for technical as a technical trainer. Okay, and let me add here some. Okay, fine. Okay, and just click on the send button. Wait for send your mail. Okay, done. Send mail sent to Vishal, mail sent to Jack and Agent 56 something. So when I open here, I receive I just click it three times. Okay, I did not know ki it's sent or not. That's why I just click it three times. So again, I got here three mails. Okay, when I open the mail, it show me the mail come from info@wincacyber.com. And yeah, of course, the mail is existing or exist on the Winca Cyber. So Winca Cyber sent me the mail for he or she hiring me as a trainer. All right. So as a victim will see the mail and is surprised that somebody sending me the mail. Okay. And the mail is okay, right, correct, or exist. Might be hacker can change the mail like here. He can put here support@icici bank.com or loan@sbi.com, and you will get 1 lakh rupees, you know whatever they put here, the manipulate you, and showcase the body or the mail body here, and there may be the phishing link and so on, or the virus embedded in the message body. And once you got the mail in your inbox, once you click on the mail, it will look like the similar mail, like cyber Vinca Cyber or the SBI Bank mail. But once you click on the mail, your system will be getting infected. Okay. Or you will redirect to another website which is look like same, like Facebook, Instagram and all, and that we call the spoofing. So you might be manipulate while reading the mail. Okay, because of mail header look like same. Look at here my inbox, right? My inbox show me Vinca Cyber Tech mail is blah 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 blah, something like that. And it show Vinca Cyber Tech mail ID is info@vincacyber.com. But mail will be, sorry, Gmail will be recognize the these things, via the this mail is come from via this web hosting and all. So Gmail having the capability to recognize spoofing and all. So you can recognize which or what mail or what kind of mail is this. So once I click on show original button or option, you can clearly check here mail come from which organization or which website. Okay, so mail server is this. I can track hacker by using this server. Okay, you can backtrack the server, sorry, hacker. All right, the whole information will be showcased here in such a manner. You can find exact IP address of sender or hacker. You can find the mail server ID information and everything from here. But if I use SSL certification for sending the mail, I don't having the SSL certification, correct? That's why the receiver will get the mail in a spam box. So whether I put here SSL certification for creating the or designing the my spoofing mail server, then you cannot you cannot recognize my server is fake or what. So that we call a spoofing. Okay, spoofing is nothing but fake things or a spoof. By using the spoofing mail server, you can manipulate, right? It's the easy things to creating and sending the mail. Okay, anybody can create a email spoofer or call spoofer or DNS spoofer. So spoofing again categorized in number of number of in categories like email, call, DNS server spoofing, and so on. MAC server spoofing, IP spoofing. So what else? What if DNS spoofing happen with you? Your domain server will be look like same like vincacyber.com. It will look like same as a same, but the domain server will created by the hacker, and but the both are looking like same as a clone. But you cannot recognize which is a real website or which is a fake website. So that we called a DNS hijacking or DNS spoofing. Similar way used for the call spoofing. Call spoofing means what? We will learn how to do call spoofing in next day. Okay. So call spoofing is nothing but anybody can call you by another number which is not there. Okay. So if XYZ calling you, and you suppose that the call number is Vishal's call, right? But my phone is not in his hand. Okay, but still he is calling from my phone number. That we call call spoofing. So that technique will be covered in next lecture.
Hello, Balaji.
Hello.
Yeah, you can ask the question if you have any query.
Yeah, hi Vishal. Actually, you have mentioned suppose you are getting a mail and if you click on this, it will redirect to some other this websites and all, right? So without reading this, how can I make sure this is a spam mail or some other spoofing mail? So
Okay, you can. Okay, Balaji. So actually, you can read the original message. What I show you here, while yeah. So you can read the original message, right? So there you can check from and from and receiver and sender informations, right? So first clear that the message is valid or not. So it's a very important thing that you need to check it out. Or might be your mail will show you the via message, like info at the rate wincacyber.com via blah 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 blah. Might be it show you, but it will avoid to put your mail, uh, put it in a spam. So it may be in a normal inbox or general inbox, but it definitely will show you via the services via this from dot 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 dot. So make sure that you will not see like these things. It must be like info at the rate wincacyber.com only. So check it out clearly. The via is not there.
okay, so this means will not be there in Winca cybersecurity that outbox, right?
Sorry, I did not get you. Sorry.
You are tried from that Winca security this mail ID, right?
Uh-huh.
So this will not be there in the their original outbox, right?
Mm-hmm.
Am I right?
Uh-huh.
Because you
You
are
will get.
using so their original person will not comes to know that they something sent from their mail ID, right?
Listen now.
Uh,
So I did not get you, but okay. So you can send email from anybody's mail. Okay, let me show you again.
uh,
Okay, here I put here info at the rate cyber wincacyber.com website, right?
yeah,
So whether I put here Balaji or what is your email ID?
Balaji.in adventure.
Balaji at the
Bal-
rate
Balaji EC
AC
dot 28 at Gmail.
dot 28 at the rate
Gmail.
gmail.com. All right.
Suppose you are sending from this mail ID, but I'm
Uh,
the person who is having the mail ID, but I won't come to know that something is sent from mail ID, right? I won't have
uh,
any record in my outbox, right?
correct. You will not even having the
Uh,
idea about that key somebody sending
Somebody has
email
used my
from your.
ID. Okay.
Correct. Nobody will understand, or nobody can get this kind of notification in your inbox,
Mm,
okay, or in outbox. All right. So this is sent from you my PHP server to victims inbox. So this communication will be in these two people only, okay. So you will not acknowledge that somebody trying to send a mail from your email ID, right? So your outbox is always empty. Nobody can like understand or recognize that what happened with me.
Is there any possibility to identify this kind of mails has been sent with my ID?
Sorry. Sorry.
Is there any possibilities to get the list somebody is you misuse my ID?
Yes. But in a big organization, they use blacklisted. Okay,
Uh,
so you cannot use Instagram.com website here. Okay, because Instagram already blacklisted their domain. So once I put here
mm,
right,
mm, mm.
Instagram.com, or once I put remove this one and put here help at the rate Instagram.com, and let me send it again. So the possibility might be not send this mail, okay, because Instagram already blacklisted. Nobody can spook my domain like this. So let me check. You can manage on a big organization level, okay. You
Mm.
cannot yeah, of course you will not get a single mail from Instagram.com domain. So it's a possibility if you assign cyber security like filtrations in bigger manner. So yeah,
At
of
the
course.
firewall level, right?
Not a firewall level. I don't know, but actually I don't know what happened with these things because I'm not personally done these all things.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm, is there any possibility to make sure that my email servers are safe? Any tools or something?
Um, like what?
Let's say one of my employee has been resigned. Okay, is
Yeah, I just told you that you need to assign the blacklisted and whitelisted things in big organizations level. So I personally don't know how to do this all stuff, but I will tell you later. Okay. And one more thing is that what is happening, spoofing methods. S- Okay,
you
spoof.
have shown me that one tool, right? That is you been developed by your own, or it's any free tools are there?
Sorry.
You have sent from some other something page, right? Send a message
Mm-hmm.
from the page, right? That is your own way, or something free tools are there.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Actually, Balaji, I'm not able to hear you clearly.
Actually,
You can
you
put
shown
your
some
mic.
demo, right?
Ha ha ha. Ha.
That tool you pass at mail ID, sender and receiver. So that
Correct, huh?
tool is developed by your own, or yeah, this one.
Yeah,
Like
yeah. You can
like this,
develop.
any
You
open
can.
source is there?
Yeah, it's available openly on Google, or you
Oh,
can develop yourself. Right? It's a easy tool for
okay.
the sending the mail and all. You can use your skill as a developer skill,
Mm,
PHP skill, and develop your spoofing PHP code and post it over the any hosting free hosting mail server.
okay. Okay,
Uh,
done.
it's easy.
Yeah, done. Done.
Hello. Okay. Okay. Let me start again. So remaining topic, which I show you how to hack website. Now we will try to hack website and learn a number of hacking tricks. Okay. Okay. So let me start practical session on website hacking. Okay. Okay. So first is SQL injection, admin bypass, SQL injection. So let learn you can start first per vulnerability by admin bypassing. So what is admin bypassing? Admin bypass means to bypass login authentications of any website. Okay. So first you need to know the admin login page. Okay, the my website is test.com/admin.php, correct? So when I open my page, login page, it will look like this. Okay, look like this. Login user and the password. So now I'm going to bypass the admin panel and I will get a dashboard access. But let try on the real website, not on test website. Okay, so try to log real website. So if you want to search or find the website having the admin panel, then you can use Google Doc. So what is Google Doc? Google Doc is used as a advanced search engine in Google. Okay, so you can particularly if you want to search particular thing like admin panel or anything else, you can put it in URL colon slash admin slash index dot php. So I do know that admin panel having index.php page for login, or if I want to find the dashboard, then I can put here dashboard. Okay, and .php. So Google will be show me a panel those having the admin dashboard access. Okay, so like this. So this torque is used for to find admin panel on any website, but not a particular website. You can find any website. Okay, so I'm going to search this on Google, and I will get a result. So now try to bypass the admin panel and try to get a dashboard access. So what is dashboard access? The website admin access means what? The admin can change anything on the website. He can put images, he can put a blog, or he can write blogs or whatever the website having the access. Okay, so what is my user and the password that I don't know? If I don't know, then I will like to bypass the admin panel by using some queries. Okay, for example, or equal to or this query, or this query used for to bypass SQL web database. Okay, so what does it means? Login panel means what? Login panel used for to authorize or authentication purpose only. Okay, means the user admin is valid in a website or in a database. If admin user password is 1234, it means database know that user admin having the 1234 password. But if I use wrong password for login like 111 or something else, and like click on the sign in button, then what happen? While like click on the sign button, the input will show me that username and the password is wrong because database don't having a user password 1111. Admin password is 1234, but what I put here 111. So it will show me that you put or what you insert here password is wrong. Okay, so the authentication may be cross check in database, and it will show me correct uh, output, right? So how to bypass this admin panel authentications? You can manipulate database directly by put here your SQL queries. Okay, the SQL query is or and equal to inverted comma, single inverted comma or double inverted comma, and then equal to an inverted comma. It means you are bypassing the admin panel. Okay, let me show you in brief. What is this? It means one or one equal to one. So it's a logic gate. So what if one or one, sorry, one and one, it might be, I think so, one or something zero. Okay, it means true. You are putting the boolean expression like one means what? True factor, and again one means what? True factor. What if I put here zero? It means one into one, one into zero is false. Okay, it's a false. So I just wanted I want answer like true answer. Okay, one plus one equal to one answer, right? It's a logic gate methods. So while I'm putting this query inside the user and the password, it directly use in a database as a query, and it suppose that one means admin and admin is true, means whatever I put here, admin or whatever I put here, it's suppose that it's admin access and we need to assign it, or we need to grant it as a true value, means access granted directly, so that access granted. Okay, admin user having the access granted, right? So let me try here on any website. Okay, okay, user is admin. First try admin if password. Okay, so the user and the password is mismatch. All right, so next website is admin. Okay, fine. Now try to inject your queries, SQL query. Done. So we successfully bypassed the admin panel. Okay, so it means what? You just need to use some queries like or and or get voila, and put in username and a password. Website will be bypass the queries using the queries and will get the admin panel. So now we on the admin panel, and I can manipulate entire website, not a server, but you can manipulate the server. Sorry, website. So adding the record management, site user management, and some other thing. Okay, I have a control on the website. Okay, you can see here the logout button also, right? Similarly, I'm going to try on the Parkha College Bhopal, like putting here same queries and login. Same queries and login. Okay, we successfully login in git sr something. So I can check here students details or put here student details also. And one and very precious information what I found here is uploading image. So using the uploading image, I can put here my reverse shell or virus. I can use my reverse shell for uploading as image and get a reverse access like this. Okay, I can get whole information by using my PHP shell. So I have a chance to upload my virus here and manipulate entire server. Similarly, I would like to try here also. I got access. Done. The time, like you can manage the database, uploading the scan, uploading your virus, and everything. Server or website is you are now. Okay. So how many queries are there? Like if I am just failed you for this query, then how many queries are there? So you can Google SQL, or you can Google admin bypass SQL payloads, or type here GitHub. Okay, SQL injection payload list. Okay, this one, or hyphen or hash and all this. Okay, so problem is what, you cannot put these queries one by one, so it is like harassing work and all. So for that you can use Babsuit Pro version, where is a facility to put your payload in a intrusion manner, and the manner like it will be buff like of attacking in a fast way, and it will show you which queries is valid on the web server, which queries bypassed your website, and it will show you output. Okay, so you can use Bubsword tools for bypassing the admin panel using this payload. Okay, so this one is one of method which is used for to bypass admin panel. Okay, one method. Okay, next one is what SQL injection. Okay, so what is SQL injection? Admin bypass using SQL query and SQL injection. Sorry, SQL injection to dump data. Database. Okay, so how to use SQL injections or SQL query to dump the database details? How it is possible? So there are some methods, or union based method, boolean expression methods, and all. There are error based method. There are number of method which is used for to dump database. Okay, one of these is union based injection. Little bit it's a critical to use as a manually, but yeah, of course you can use once you learn, right? So what is union based injection? Union based injection use like using the SQL injection, SQL map tool. Okay, or no SQL tool also. So let me try to show you how to dump database information using manual and SQL map using the SQL map tool. Okay, so first find the parameter. uh, First method is admin bypass. What I done here, i find I found admin panel. Correct. First I found admin panel on a particular website where I want to inject my queries, this one. Okay, and once I found the admin panel, I bypass the panel and got the dashboard access. Simple. Later it will be the malicious activities to uploading the shell and all. So that's all. Second method is SQL injection, which is used for to dump the database. What I done here, I just bypass admin login panel only. Okay, but now in second method we are trying to dump whole information. Maybe there is database, sorry, debit card information, credit card information, users information, passwords and all. The second method is SQL injection, and there are number of categories in SQL injection, like union based, error based, and all. So I just use union based injection, which is a easy type. So for that we are going to use SQL map tool and manual method. Okay. So first SQL map. Let me use SQL map tool, right, and then we'll try manually. So manually is kind of critical and hard things, so better is to use easy wala, right, SQL map. So where you can inject your queries, point is where to inject your queries and how to dump database. How to know that the website have SQL injection vulnerability? First step, how to know there is SQL vulnerability. So first find SQL parameter. Okay, first find SQL parameter. It look like ID equal to number something, or it will look like something cat, equal to something number. So let me find kind of parameter which having ID and cat and something else, okay, but equal to number. So I'm going to search on the Google. I click on the category, clicking on the hyperlinks like poster and all. And remember, notice your URL. Okay, like the question mark cat equal to something number. So I suppose that cat equal to number means might be there is SQL vulnerability. Okay, might be there is SQL vulnerability. I'm just going to copy this thing and save here. Okay, so what I found here, SQL parameter. Still I don't know this website is vulnerable or not. Okay, just find parameter which having number, parameter which having the number. First step completed. Now check it out. The parameter is vulnerable or not. So how to check the parameter is vulnerable or not? Just put inverted comma after your number, inverted comma after your number, and check it out. Output must be error, otherwise you cannot inject, or you cannot find the information. Okay, fine. So the output is, there are, you have an error in a SQL syntax and blah blah blah. It means what you put here inverted comma, that is responding you back. Okay, that comma inverted comma responding you back कि SQL injection vulnerability है वहाँ पे, right? So I'm just copy this entire URL and open your terminal, right? Okay, open your terminal. Okay, sudo su now use SQL map, right? Hyphen u and your your URL. Put your URL in inverted comma. Why? It maybe get a string and will avoiding to scan. Okay, so SQL map is a tool which is used for to dump database information using the SQL vulnerability. So I suppose this URL having the SQL vulnerability and might be show me, or might be help me to dump SQL database or database information using the SQL map tool. So I'm going to use this string again, or syntax here. Okay, and put here hyphen hyphen dbs and enter. Step 1, what? Find the database name if the website is vulnerable. Okay, so first what I done here, I just found the vulnerability on the parameter. Okay, it is vulnerable. Second step is what? Try to find database, or try to get a like find out the database information using hyphen hyphen dbs command. Okay, and the tool used for finding the vulnerabilities, SQL map. Okay, take a time. Okay, it automatically find the vulnerability and inject the queries directly. SQL map used for to find the vulnerability and inject the queries. Okay, so what it find, it get the parameter cat is generally like generic unique query, and it's, I suppose that 1 to 20 columns are injectable. It means 20 columns are injectable. Now we will check it out manually, how min number of columns which is vulnerable. Okay, and then number of vulnerability or this were this vulnerable column. That will be check it out by using the manually exploitations. Okay. Okay, I got some information that web server operating system is Linux. Okay, web application is this and this information. Okay, now type SQL map hyphen h and enter. Okay, these are the queries or these are the arguments. By using this you can dump the details of any SQL vulnerable website. Okay, if you put hyphen a and hyphen all command, it retrieve the everything. Okay, and if you want to retrieve the database current user, you can put the queries hyphen current hyphen user, like this. If you put hyphen dump all, it will dump whole database information which a database contains, right? So I'm going to use these queries to find whole information. Look at here. Actually website database hacked and user also. And I think so, do you want to store hash to temporary file? It means users hash passwords also. I got a password also in hash format. All right, so it show me that key, if you want to store your hash, then you can type here y. Yes, do you want to crack the hash using the dictionary based attacks? uh no, I don't want to crack the hash. Then just type here n and enter. All right, look at here my user and the password. I guess user is John Smith, password is test, email is email @email.com, phone number and everything is there. Okay, whole database information dump. All right, you can check it. All database is dumping. All right, let me stop and let's see where it save. Okay, you can check here, right? Dump in dump folder, ls cd aq, the database name, and here the user information. All right, cat and user information. The user information will be here, right? Users name, card number, cc number, password, email, phone number, username and address, everything is here. Okay, I successfully dumped the informations. All right, and let me check in other database. Okay, Okay, so other database also dump successfully. I mean, might be partially dumping because of I just cut off the scanning. That's why. So it's okay. SQL injection means what? You can dump informations, database information by single click. Okay, so you can use SQL map for dumping information. You can do manually. So how manually work? I will show you. Okay, so SQL injections as a database dumping tool. Okay, so let me show you manual injections. Dump all, I guess. The command was dump all right, this one. Okay, which is used for dump all database. Dump all database. Now manual SQL injections is little bit hard to hack. Okay, but okay, let me show you. In manual SQL injection, you need to follow some path or steps. First step is sorry, first find the vulnerability. Is it vulnerable or not? That I already done. Then next step is find the number of column. Okay, so column is nothing but the kind of like table and columns in a database. You maybe know if you know how to create tables database in SQL database, right? So column must, you should know, you must know number of column in database. So for that, to recognize or to identify how many columns are there in your target database, the query is order by one. Okay, so query is what? Parameter order by one. One means what? One database may be there, sorry, one column may be there, so it must be clear and clean. Okay, it means what? That one columns are exist on the website in database. But what if I put here 100? So that show me that unknown column 100 in order. Okay, it means 100 column is not exist on the website. So how to find exact column? Okay, you can remove this 100 and put here 10 only and check. The error is must be like clean. It means 10 column is exist. But if you increase the column number, it will show error again. Let me find exact number of column by managing the number. Okay, 15 also not valid, so 12 also not valid. 11, sorry, 11. Okay, 11 existing column. It means 11 have a normal and clean page output. It means there is 11 columns, but 12 not. So I can copy this and put here for manual injection. Manual injection. All right. So first step is to find the vulnerability. Second step is to find the columns number. Okay, column number one order by 11. So clean. All right. The output is clean. Right. So there are 11 columns. Now find the vulnerable column within a 11s. Okay. Now put here hyphen and use union query, union, select, add here 1 to 11 number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 and 11 and check it out which columns is vulnerable. Okay, just check it out which column is vulnerable. So how to recognize which column is vulnerable? The output will be show a vulnerable number in display right here. So 11 number is vulnerable, 7 number also vulnerable, and 2 and 9 also. So if I put or if I replace 11 with my SQL queries, then whatever my SQL queries will be there, that queries output will be display on this number. Okay, remember one thing. So I just want to find the user, current user of my database by applying the query user greater than and smaller than symbol and enter. Then my database name will be display instead of 11 number, like accurate at the rate localhost. So this one is my username. So what if I just replace with 7 number? Okay, user open and close bracket, my 7 number will be display as my username. It will be replaced. Okay, what if I put user in 7 number and replace 11 as a database query? What is database name? By using the database query, find the database name by using the database open close bracket query and enter. All right, 7 number show me username information and 11 number show or replace by database name. Which one is accurate? Okay, whatever the pronunciation is. So user and database name will be display below here, right? So you can apply any query instead of 9 also and 2 also. So I would like to use 11 number of column for checking or to finding the other information, for example users information, table information and all. Okay, now let me show you or let see the brief detail of SQL database, my SQL. So SQL database created by the column, table, using the column and table methods and data. Okay, so first in database there is database name. In MySQL there are in upper level there are database. In the database you just suppose you created two database one is Vishal, database two is Vinca. So within a database Vishal, I would like to create 100 tables. Okay, so I'm creating the table, database name is Vishal and Vinca. Okay, and in Vinca, in Vishal database name, I am going to create tables. Okay, how much? 100, 10, whatever you want to, you can create. Okay, I created tables inside database. Database name is Vishal. So Vishal is a database. It's a database name. And table, I created 10 tables. Tables name is like card, user, password, email. Okay, like this. Okay, it's a column actually. Table is like user column, user tables. Okay, or products column, products tables, product. All right, like this. Now I'm going to use user table to put my users detail inside the user table. All right, and in product tables I would like to mention my whole products related about my organization or website. That whole information will be put in products table. So what next? I'm going to use user table, okay, for adding my users data, like in column format, like like what? Username, password, email, and phone number, like this. Okay, so this one is my database name is Vishal. Okay, name is Vishal, and Vishal database. Okay, Vishal database having 10 tables. One of one of this is user. All right, one of is user, and user tables uh, created for to add the user's informations. All right, so user is a table, remember this thing. And inside the user's table, there I just created again columns and put users information like username, the password, email, and phone number, and blah blah blah. So this is the manner, this is a structure of database. So how to find users name, users password, emails, and phone number, it's a very critical to dump this information. But if you know the parameter of SQL injection parameter, you can find or you can reach to the user and the password and email and phone number. How? First step is to find the parameter of SQL injection. Second, find the vulnerable column of given a column. So जो भी है उसमें से you need to find vulnerability or vulnerable column. So I already got, there is a column, a name is 11, 7, and 9. So I would like to replace these three columns with my queries, and I would like try to reach to user and the password. Okay, so next query is what? Just replace the vulnerable column with the query like table underscore table underscore name from information underscore schema table. Okay, what is this? So I am replacing 11th columns with this query. So what is this query? This query show that it will find the table name. I don't know table name. Okay, I just assume that the structure of database. Okay, but I don't know the website database, right? I am going to find the database. I'm going to find the table name. I would like to find the columns and database. Okay, step by step. So first step is find the vulnerable column, then find the table name. So this query use for to find the column, sorry, table, and then column and then database. Okay, so what is information schema table? Information data schema is default database name like Vishal and Vinka. So in a default information schema database, there may be users information. So let's consider information schema having the user table, and let me try to find. Let me fire up this query here. Do not forget to add hyphen before the number. Okay, table name from information schema tables and enter. Okay, so it show one single table name is artist. Okay, so I think so there may be number of tables, but it will not show me proper in a proper manner. So let me try here to apply a query, one extra query like group concat and enter. Group. Okay, might be I done something wrong. Okay, now what happened here, I can see whole database table, sorry, whole tables, arts, artists, sorry, cards, categories, feature, guestbook, picture, products, and user and administrator. So my target is what to find the table which is look like username, admin, and like similar like this. Okay, so my finding almost completed. Yeah, I got a username. Table name is users. Okay, so I found their table name is user. Now I found the table name user. Next is what to find the columns inside the tables. So how to find the columns inside the tables? Just use the next query like keba remove tables name. Okay. So next step is what just replace the tables with column because my next finding is to find the columns. So I'm going to replace table with column. Okay. From information schema, columns, where schema table equal to, yeah, table name equal to, okay, table underscore name equal to user, open and close bracket, inverted comma. Column name information schema columns where table name equal to user है या users है. Okay, sorry, my wrong. Table name actually it's a users. All right, so I'm going to find, let me copy this thing and save here. What I done here, I just find the users column. Users is a tables, and inside the tables there are number of columns. For example, username, password, cc, address, email, and name. So actually this is not your actual data, it is a kind of columns, and in this column there may be number of users information. So suppose the users is 10 users and the users name, user password, cc, address, and email will be mentioned in database. So in this manner it will be mentioned like users details information will be in column. So I'm going to copy username and the password of particular user or all user also. Just copy this and replace it with username and pass. Okay, and remove this thing what everything after the from. Okay, and just enter. So test is the user and the test is the password. Okay, let me again show you. I'm going to remove the pass. Okay, it means test is the user and the password also test. So you just copy your user and the password and try to log in here. You will successfully log in with John Smith user test and the password test. So like that, you can dump the user information using manual SQL injection. It's a hard method, but they are obviously this method is effective. And then SQL injections method or SQL map tools. Okay, so it's a hard to learn, but once you understand what is manual SQL injection, you can easily dump the a database using the SQL vulnerability. Okay,